Good day, everyone. Welcome to our NORLAND, especially. My name is Kiruba, and today I'm here to give you on sharing our knowledge based on our beautiful product that is enhancing your life and family in healthy way. When you call about healthy, you have to induce more and more immune system, more strength to lead a successful life. To get to know more about immune system and how do we boost up more immune system and more knowledge on our product, to wait with us to move on with the slide. As you see, our immune system is an essential for our survival. Without an immune system in our body, we would be attacked from bacteria, viruses, parasites, and much more. It is our immune system that keeps us healthy as we drift through a sea of pathogens. Ladies and gentlemen, let us look into how does this immune system gets to secrete in our body. With the help of mucous membrane, lymphatic vessels, thymus, skin, bone marrow, tonsils, lymph nodes, spleen, and much more gets to secrete more and more to help to fight against the bacteria in our body. Let us look how does this immune system work. As you see, it always, number one, it detects and finds the invaders. So the bacteria or the viral which enters in our body gets to immune by they identify the bacteria. So number two, call for help. When these immune cells get to identify the bacteria, when it gets to see the first identified bacteria, it gets to signal to other immunes to know that there's a foreign body in our body. Thirdly, what it does, it tags or marks the cells, will mark according to what are the bacteria being produced in our body. Fourthly, it destroys the invaders or bacteria which enters the body immediately. And fifth, it always keeps our immune cells to able to remember the bacteria or viruses which attacks our body. So these are the way how does immune system beautifully work in our body. To always keep ourselves to get more and more immune system working in our body, we must take some steps to enhance immune work or immune capacity in our body. With that, our NORLAND has given us a beautiful way on taking of peptide, which we call of oligopeptide, which will help us in taking or boosting up more immune system, more strength level to improvise the circulatory level, enhance a proper sleep, get rid of stress, and much more. Let us look into more and more beneficial out of our oligopeptide. Peptide, have you seen as a peptide? Peptide is a source of 7,000 peptides in our body, and they are very specific mechanism as act as a signaling molecules. They are small chain of amino acids and tiny proteins. They also act as a fat burner and convert it into energy. So these peptides help us to balance our growth, development, reproductions, our metabolism, and also our NORLAND peptide contains at least 27 times efficacy more, and our peptide source has beautifully fast absorption even in acid-based of level of pH of 2 to 10. So these are remarkably beautifully product of three combination, which are soy peptide, marine fish peptide, and not to forget the wheat oligopeptide. As you see, these are the component of peptide. Let us look into the beneficial. The beneficial of our peptide, no degrading of products. It absorbs within 30 seconds and convert energy in 3 minutes. No allergy substance, dissolve completely, no anti-nutrition, no energy consumption, and 100% natural ingredients. Ladies and gentlemen, not to forget, it has been researched in 8 peptide institutes and confirmed the efficacy of our product. Ladies and gentlemen, how does this peptide really enhance our body? How does this work? First of all, it always inhibits or controls the declination of degeneration cells. How does it happen? Firstly, it improves our body immune function. Secondly, it activates the energize in the sense of peptide gives activation of human cell function. Thirdly, it repairs or rebuilds. It repairs the degeneration cells and the membrane function by repairing the cell membrane receptions. And always remember, it promotes or improve the injections, more cell power, and maintain the cell metabolism. So these are the way how does the peptide actually function in our body. Let us look into how many of people who really need urgent of our peptide. As you see, dysplasia, people those who are having constipation, gastritis, people who are having suffering in studies, stress due to stress, not only suffering in studies, those who are having working stress, too much of overweight and pain in their knees and reducing their metabolism, people those who are taking too much of highly consumption hospital medication, which gives a lot of side effects, and people tend to have headache. These kind of people would always recommend it because it always emphasizes and advance more and more increase in proper circulatory. It gives us more and more strength, improves the immune system, improves the metabolism, facilitate the metabolism, and not to forget, it enhances a proper circulatory and enhances the proper sleep as soon as possible of taking out peptide. And always remember, ladies and gentlemen, peptide gives a beautiful, remarkable source to those who are having fatty liver, those who are having less metabolism, and people those who are driving low immune system. Not to forget the usage and precautions of oligopeptide. The indications are to those three: to boost up immune system, to enhance your body strength, and to facilitate your metabolism. As these are indicated, the direction of using of our oligopeptide would be, peptide comes in a powder form. So it will be cut into sachet, just cut it, just mix it with 100 ml of water and consume the peptide at least 2 times a day, half an hour before your meal, morning or night. Precautions comes accordingly. The precaution has been highlighted to those who have common sub-health problems, minimum of 2 peptides a day. Initially, hypertension and diabetic people would always able to consume 2 times a day. If there is discomfort present taking before your meal, please take it after the meal. People with allergic are not recommended, and do not take food with high iron vitamins with our peptide. If you are a cancer patient, please do always consult the doctor to have more information about peptides. Ladies and gentlemen, to be in this forum, thank you first of all. I hope today I have shared a beneficial sharing with our peptide and lead a healthy way by strengthening up your whole entire body to keep the whole body with immune system metabolized and always replenish the whole entire internal system with a good and healthy habit. With this healthy habit, lead a proper and happy, healthy lifestyle. Yeah, thank you. So thank you for being here, for time, your support with us. I hope our knowledge sharing would be beneficial for everyone. And please don't forget to share the knowledge and awareness, especially to your family, your friends, your colleagues, your relatives, and more, and give them health awareness to every single movement, because health is wealth. Thank you, and see you again.